Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add custom HTML markup using the HTML widget in Elementor websites. This is incredibly useful when you want to insert custom code snippets, embed special elements, or add functionality that isn't available through standard Elementor widgets. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and locate Pages, then click on Add Page. This will create a new blank page where we'll be working with Elementor. After the page loads, you'll see the Edit with Elementor button near the top of the screen. Go ahead and click it to launch the Elementor editor interface. Now that you're inside the Elementor editor, focus your attention on the left menu where you'll find all the available widgets and elements. At the very top of this panel, you'll notice a search field. Click inside it and type HTML. This will filter the widgets and bring up the HTML widget, which is exactly what we need for adding our custom markup. Once you see the HTML widget appear in the results, click on it. This action will select the widget and make it visible in the left settings panel, where you'll be able to configure it. You'll notice the settings panel now displays options specifically for the HTML widget. Here's where the magic happens. In the left panel, you'll see a large text area labeled HTML. Click inside this text area, and you can now type or paste your custom HTML markup. For example, you might want to add a custom button with specific styling, an embedded script, or even a unique form element. Whatever HTML code you need to insert, this is where it goes. Just make sure your code is properly formatted to avoid any rendering issues. After you've entered your custom HTML markup, it's time to save your work. Look at the upper right corner of the page where you'll find two options. If you're ready to make the page live, click Publish. However, if you want to save your progress and come back to it later, click Save Draft instead, which is located right beside the Publish button, and that's it. You've successfully added custom HTML markup to your Elementor website using the HTML widget. This gives you incredible flexibility to extend your site's functionality beyond what's available in the standard toolkit. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.